Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Blackbeard here, and we are at JJ's Deli. It's a New York style deli here in North Scottsdale, and it's at the pretty much corner of Scottsdale Road and Pinnacle Peak. And they've got literally hundreds of sandwiches, bagels, breakfast to choose from, as I don't get ran over here. And it's usually packed. It's a little chilly out today, but it is nice weather. So let's go inside. The deli. All right, you can see, look at this sandwich collection. Definitely gotta stop in here. This place is legit. Got the bagels freshly made every day. And the staff is fire. All right, look at this thing. Oh, we got toasted gluten-free bread, mayonnaise, mustard, turkey, tons of onion, pickle, bacon. We got the potato salad, pickles on the side. This thing is done legit and right. Oh my God. So this is the build your own. You can choose from anything you want and just make it yourself. All right, that was delicious. So if you're in Arizona visiting Scottsdale, PGA Tournament, Super Bowl, Barrett-Jackson, and you want a quick lunch, come up here. Good breakfast, omelets, you name it. All right, like and subscribe. Till next time.